Hello everybody, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. And this video I will guide step by step how to find out if somebody using your video contents on their YouTube channel. Like say you have uploaded video on YouTube and somebody already copy or download your video and posted on their channel. Even without your permission or with your permission, you can find out either way and how to react on those videos. Now let's start how to find out. Step one, you have to go to YouTube and you have to log into your YouTube channel as I have logged in already. Once you logged into your YouTube channel, you will be see this page. At this page in the right hand corner on the top, we have our channel logo. We're gonna click on the channel logo and we will go to YouTube Studio. As you can see, I have a third option, YouTube Studio. We'll click on YouTube Studio. Once you click on YouTube Studio and the next menu, you will see on the left hand corner there's a couple options. We have a dashboard, video, playlist, analytic, comments, subtitles, stuff like that. And we're gonna click on here. It says copyrights. If you click on here, everything will pop up. So as you can see, I have those videos I posted for purpose to show my video, because I have other channels. I posted same video on my this channel or on my other channel. So I will shows how many videos and placed on how many places. As you can see, these are the video list and those are already have a update on other channel. So what you have to do, they will also tell you like this video have already uploaded to the other channel, not this channel. My other channel is JK Punjabi and I have that many views, and that's the date when I have already copied the same contact on the other one. It shows 100%. If you have a match some percentage like a 50%, it shows you everything here, how much is video matching with your video. And then you can come over here and there is a three options. You can choose either one. You can move your video, then they will YouTube will request to move or something. You can also request for video removal. You can contact to the channel. All video is like that. So whatever your video is playing on other channel, it will show over here all the information and you will be able to take any action you wish. There's three options. You can take a action. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.